Hi there, I'm going to show you how to chain stitch quilt pieces together. And if you haven't cut your pieces already, you need to do that first. Obviously, it's really easy to do with the Cricut Maker. I have another tutorial on that if you want to look that up on YouTube. The pattern I'm using for this tutorial is the Riley Blake Daisy Days Throw Quilt. And my design is this one here called Spinning Wheels. So all my pieces are in triangles. And I've already chain stitched a number of them together. You can see this is the end result. So my quilt square is put together and it's all connected just by an individual line of stitching. And it's a really fast way to sew your quilt pieces together. So here's how it works. I have my machine set for a 2.4 stitch length. I'm going to take my pieces and match up the long edge. And I'm putting it underneath the presser foot of the machine. You don't even need to lift the presser foot. You're just going to push it underneath with your fingers. And then we're going to sew. We do not need to back tack, but you're just sewing from one piece to the next, and we're using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. I have a guide here that I'm lining up the edges of my piece with. And you slow down when you get to the end, and you get your next piece ready. And I've been consistently putting the white piece on top and the colored piece on the bottom. That's just my method for doing this particular design, since every piece in the design has a white square. So again, we're just sewing from one piece onto the next. All the way across. And then I will have a tutorial on what we do next. The next step will be to trim the pieces so that they're completely square and clip them apart. And that'll be my next tutorial. You can find out more and more tutorials at chambrayblues.com. Thank you.